This is my favorite cruise in. I come here every Monday night. It's only about 3 miles from my house. The people are wonderful and the host is great. It's all about the cars and talking to other people, their experiences in driving the cars, owning the cars, their memories of their dads and their moms and their grandparents owning the cars, especially cars like the Rambler.
In the world like a big-eyed girl, make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose, like a long-necked goose, like a girl. Oh, baby, that's the one I like. What's that, honey?
When friends don't stop friends from drinking and driving. Friends die from drinking and driving. Friends die from drinking and driving can kill a friendship.
Oh yeah, here it is, 1957 Plaza. Flammable.
Okay, hi, my name is Ron. I come to Quaker Steak and Lube because this is a very popular spot on Mondays for cruising. Tonight I brought my 2006 Velocity Yellow Corvette. It has about 20,000 miles on it, and I, it's like my fun car on the weekends and to bring it to shows and stuff. So that's pretty much it.
Giving away tonight at two $25 gift cards tonight too on your door prize. So definitely worth the effort. If you got your cruiser vehicle, stop up and get your free door prize.
Annual Rock and Roll Car Show, Saturday, August 8th from 2 to 6 p.m. Registration opens up at 1:30. Hello.
It's the annual Rock and Roll Car Show, Saturday, August 8th.